bird, pretty bird.
You know, that bird is getting on my nerves. For 2 weeks, all it ever says, Andre's a pretty bird. Andre's a pretty bird.
3J's cool. 3J's cool. Come on, say it.
Let me show you how I've done a little 3J. Check it out. Eddie's the man. Eddie is the man.
Andre's a pretty bird, pretty bird.
You're right, Dan. Bird brain.
Hey, maybe if I give it some pizza, it'll talk, huh?
Good idea.
Hey, Andre, you like pepperoni? Here you go. That bird hit me. You know, I can't believe Commissioner Geiss left me with this stupid bird. That Geiss is an idiot.
Oh, Geiss is an idiot.
No, I didn't mean that.
Oh, Geiss is an idiot.